Let's look at this question. In the below figure, AB is parallel to CD. Okay, AB is parallel to CD. AC is parallel to BE. So this line is parallel to this line, and FI is parallel to BE. FI is parallel to BE. Okay. Let me put the right symbols. Got it. Fi cuts the median AL. Fi cuts the median AL in the ratio 4:3 and 2:1 respectively. D and in 2:1 respectively. What is the ratio of the area of triangle DHI to area of quadrilateral PCFG? Okay, DHI to PCFG. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the height. I'm taking the height of AFG as 4, the height of BCGF as 3. So if the ratio of heights, see the triangle AFG and ABC are similar. If the height is in the ratio of 4:3, AFG by BAC should be equal to 16 by 49. So if the area here is 16, the area here should be 33. Okay. Also, because you are getting height 3 here, you will also get height 3 here. And if y is 3, 2y will be 6. So if height is 6 here, look at triangle AFG and DHI. AFG and DHI, they are similar triangles. At one place you have height as 4, at another place you have height as 6. So AFG by DHI will be equal to, areas will be equal to 16 by 36. Okay, so DHI I know this, I'm getting 36. Now BAC is 49. BAC itself contains AFG and AFG plus BCGF. This is equal to 16 by 49. I know AFG to be 16, so BCGF would be 33. This quadrilateral will be 33. So finally, when they ask me the ratio of DHI to BCGF, the ratio will be 36 by 33 or 12 by 11, which is option D.